So there's a new video format that's blowing up on Twitter. You might have seen them around. They look like this, and this, and this, even this. They're engaging because they have fun styles and nice backgrounds. They have subtitles to make it easier for us to watch while they're muted. And they're relatable because they are mobile, so we can watch them anywhere. But they're about our work, which is usually sat at a desk or working on a laptop. And most importantly, they're very short, so they hold our attention. And I'm going to show you how to make videos just like these using Tela. First, pick a topic. It can be anything, but just make sure it's very specific, like how to change the color of a border, or how to use a certain Excel function, or how to do something in Notion. Now we've got a topic, we need to set up our recording. So I've got my camera coming through, and now I'm going to share my screen. The neat thing about Tela is you can use specific mobile and square layouts, just like these, no matter what your input is. But with a little extra preparation, you can make them look even better. So try resizing your screen like this so that it looks good in portrait mode. Anyway, now we can start recording. A couple things to mention. Now, nailing a concise demo like this is harder than it looks. Talking and demoing at the same time without rambling can be tough. So don't be afraid to break your video into smaller chunks using Tela's clips feature. And then that way you can focus on getting 5 short clips right, rather than having to deal with getting 1 long clip right. So we've recorded all our clips now. Let's make them look nice. Add a background. Find a layout that works for you. And why not try out some borders? And that's it. Download your video in 4K. Remember that Tela automatically transcribes everything, so you can download the subtitles file and publish that to places like Twitter or LinkedIn.